So, today I will show you one of the latest additions to my Tesla, which is live data running directly on the Tesla screen without need to attach a separate phone to the dash of the car or any tablet or any device a part of the Tesla screen in order to use it. So, as you can see, the diagnostic application, in this case Scan My Tesla, is running inside of the browser of the Tesla screen, which means that you can use it even while driving to monitor live data and so on. So this application is hosted on a Raspberry device, which is flashed and running with the Tesla Android project, link to which you can find in the description of this video. It's an open source tool for Raspberry that hosts Android and on this device and can display it on the Tesla screen. As you can see, this is the final unit. It's very sleek with 3D printed case, and inside the Raspberry have a cooling fan and a radiator, which I have connected to the 3.3 volts, or you can connect it to 5 volts GPIO. This is the finished 3D printed case that I made, and I connected the power supply over Type-C to the Raspberry Pi directly from a 12 volt cigarette lighter charging in the car, so that way it will automatically power on. So, in order to flash the image to the Raspberry, which you can download from the link below, credits to Android Tesla project, you need to use the Raspberry Pi Manager. Then once flashed, and you need to wait a lot of time, the Raspberry will boot up and start to host a Wi-Fi network to which you can directly connect your vehicle to. And it's important to select the stay connected in drive, that way the Raspberry will be connected to the car when you're driving. And once connected to this Wi-Fi network, you can open the Tesla browser and go to device.teslaandroid.com, which will directly open the Android Tesla page. Of course, more detailed instructions on how to connect and to the Wi-Fi and enter the Tesla Android are available on the Tesla Android project page in the description. The most important thing here is that I have already prepared the Scan My Tesla application. You can do it as well by using the APK file or the Google Play Store, which is available on the device. When you need to use Ethernet connection with cable in order to have internet connection and download the application. Once the application is downloaded, I will pair it with my USB dongle, in this case Carista, which is connected to the OBD port of the vehicle. So the Android can use the Raspberry Pi's Bluetooth connection. And once the Bluetooth connection with the dongle is established, we can open Scan My Tesla and select our Bluetooth device that we're going to use. And as you can see, the live data is already coming up. Here I use some older version of Scan My Tesla that I had just for the initial try. So that's why it looks very messed up, but the workspaces and the dashboard section, their code can be arranged by your own preference.